Want to enhance your music experience on your iPhone? Whether you're a bass lover or just looking for better sound quality on Spotify, we've got you covered. Here's how to boost your bass and get the best audio performance. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down or search Music. Then, tap on EQ to access the equalizer settings. Select the Increase Bass option to enhance bass in your music. This will enhance the lower frequencies and give your music deeper, richer bass. Now, let's boost your Spotify audio quality for an even better listening experience. Open the Spotify app and tap your profile in the top left corner. Select Settings and tap Audio Quality. Set Wi-Fi streaming and cellular streaming to very high for best sound. For download music, choose very high to ensure high quality playback online. For even more control, adjust Spotify's built-in equalizer. Click on your profile icon and choose Settings and Privacy. Select Playback and find Equalizer option. Turn it on and select Bass Booster or adjust the EQ manually to increase bass. Want even more improvement? Use high-quality headphones or speakers for richer sound. Make sure Dolby Atmos is enabled in settings. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can enjoy deep bass and crystal clear sound on your iPhone and Spotify. Try them out and feel the difference.